My kings and queens, welcome back for another video. It's your girl BahamaVannaRN, and today is going to be a hair video. So I will be installing some mini twists in my hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, I setting myself up for torture because as much as I love mini twists, they take so long to install. But yeah, I'll be installing some mini twists and you guys gonna be watching me, okay? So if you're interested in this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so when I upload a video, you could know, okay? So no more talking, let's dive into the video. I am going to be using Miel's moisturizing hair milk. I'm going to be using this. And then to actually twist my hair though, I will be using the Camille Rose Twisting Butter, Sweet Almond Milk and Honey. Y'all, I've been loving this for my twist. So I'm going to be using this. And I have my oil, my comb, and I have my clips. So that's what I'll be using for the style. Before mini twisting my hair, I ensure that my hair is freshly washed and semi blown out. And you want to make sure that you are starting out on freshly washed hair because this is a protective style, and so it will be in for a long period of time. My intention is to keep the style in for 2 to 3 weeks. So I sectioned my hair off into 4 sections, and this is how it looks. After sectioning my hair, I then went in with my oil, just giving myself a scalp massage. So like I said earlier, I used the Miel's moisturizing hair milk, and I just applied it to each section of my hair. After applying the moisturizing hair milk from Miel's hairline, I then went in with my pink comb to detangle my hair. I basically did the same process for my entire head. You want to make sure that you are twisting your hair on detangled hair. After applying the hair oil onto my scalp from Dupru, I then went in with sectioning again because as you notice, these are mini twists, so I wanted to make sure that each section is as small as I wanted them. Now with this mini twist, I decided to braid the roots of my scalp first and then I went in with twisting. And the reason why I did this was because I wanted my parts of my mini twist to be as neat as possible. And I also noticed that when you braid the twist before twisting the actual hair, it allows the twist to be in your hair for a longer period of time. So this is a better view of my braiding process. So like I said, I braided the roots. Now you're not braiding the entire hair. You're just braiding a small section of each part just to ensure that the roots are neat as possible and that you are able to wear the style for a longer period of time. So after I was satisfied with the amount of braiding that I did, then I began twisting. Y'all, if you can't twist, then I don't know. Twisting is very simple. Hopefully you are able to follow through in this video. So this is the first section in the back that I was able to get completed. Y'all see how small these twists are, and this is the front section. So my twists are very moisturized, the ends curled. Y'all, I am satisfied. So I repeated this process for my entire head. This style took me about 8 hours to do, y'all, but the results was definitely worth the time. And there are so many different styles that you can do with mini twists. So if you're enjoying this video so far, let me know down in the comments. Also remember to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the video. So my hair is finished. I am exhausted. It is now 10:30. I was doing this from 2 p.m. This is how it looks.